Good evening. This is Brian from the Scotcoin support team again. Tonight I'm going to talk about setting your Scotcoin V3 up on a Trezor hardware wallet. We'll also talk about hardware wallets, what are they, why you should consider using one, what are their limitations, what's a private and public key, and I'll give you advice on how to set up Scotcoin V3 on the wallet, the Trezor One wallet. Now, as most of you know already, Scotcoin V3 is migrating to an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, what's a hardware wallet? It's basically a small USB device that plugs into your laptop or PC. Instead of having your private keys stored on a smartphone or desktop wallet, it's basically stored on this small device which is offline, also known as cold storage. Now, the two most popular devices are the Trezor One and the Ledger Nano. This video will cover the Trezor One. Now, what's a public and private key? The public key is the address that is generated when you set up a brand new wallet on the Ethereum network. It starts with a 0x. Here's an example of one here. Also, it's signified by a QR code. Now, if you see here, here's a image of a paper wallet. So you can see here, here's the address. That's the address you quote to someone if you want them to send you some Scotcoin or some Ethereum. This is a private key. A private key is used to authorize the transaction between person A and person B. Also, when you set up a wallet, it normally gives you some random passphrase words. It's either 12, 16 or 24 random words. Basically, this is encrypted into a long string of hexadecimal letters and numbers, and that's your private key there. Why use a hardware wallet? Basically, it's to store your private keys offline. When you use a web-based wallet or an app, it's possible malware can be infected onto the hard drive of the laptop or the PC, and it's possible the wallet's funds can be drained and removed and you've lost everything. Also known as cold storage. These devices are normally secured using a 24-word backup phrase and a PIN number, so they're very secure devices. Now, what are the limitations of hardware wallets? Now, some of them can be a little bit fiddly to use, so it's basically striking the balance between security and usability. Smartphone and desktop wallets are more convenient and user-friendly. Hardware wallets can be a little bit fiddly. You've got to use a small USB cable and plug it into your laptop or your PC. Now, obviously, nothing is unhackable, but I would say a hardware wallet or a paper wallet are the most secure ways of securing your cryptocurrency assets. Now, how do you integrate the Trezor with web-based wallets? Two wallets that we suggest users use is MyEtherWallet or Metamask.io. Now, first of all, we'll cover myetherwallet.com. So you just go to that website, myetherwallet.com, click on Access My Wallet, click on the hardware button, then you choose Trezor, click Continue, and it opens connect.trezor.io in your web browser. Asks you to plug in your Trezor device, put in your PIN number, which is up to 9 digits, then you've got access to your funds. You can possibly send funds back and forward from myetherwallet.com to your Trezor and vice versa, or just check your balance. Now, Metamask is another web-based wallet. You can access it through the Google Chrome Web Store through chrome.google.com/web store. Once it's installed, the little fox icon appears in the top right of your browser. You click on that, you choose the option that says restore your account with seed phrase. You type in your 12 or your 24-word passphrase, choose a password, click on restore. So that's you logged in. Now if you want to add your Scotcoin to the wallet, again you click on custom token, click on add token, choose custom token, enter your contract address. Now if you're not sure what that is, you go to etherscan.io in your web browser, type in Scotcoin with a capital C in the middle, you look for the one that starts with 0x28, you copy that into the custom token box, click continue, and that's your Scotcoin added. So if we go back to the wallet, you see in the top right hand corner here there's a multicolored icon. You click on that, choose connect hardware wallet. This screen comes up, you choose Trezor, click connect, and again your web browser opens. You go to connect.trezor.io and put in your PIN number, which is something you've already chosen after you've set up the Trezor wallet. You've also got your 24 words as a backup phrase. Then you've got access to the Trezor to send and receive funds or check your balances. Now finally, to set up the Trezor wallet for Scotcoin V3, you set up your Trezor device on trezor.io/start. You get a 24-word backup passphrase. You put it on the piece of card supplied, as you can see here, and choose a PIN number up to 9 digits. Once you've done that, you open your web browser, type in wallet.trezor.io. It asks you to plug in your device. So you plug in the Trezor into your USB port of your laptop or PC. You put in your PIN code, and as I said earlier, the 24 words above is the backup phrase in case your Trezor is lost or stolen. All you would do is buy another Trezor, put in your 24 words, and your currency is still there. Very safe device. So once you put in your PIN number, it shows you here on the Trezor the order that you've got to put your PIN number in. Now this actually changes every time, which is a very excellent security feature. So basically, if your password was 1234, you would put in this one, this one, this one, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, in that order. Okay, once you've actually logged in, it goes automatically into Bitcoin as the default. To log into your Ethereum wallet, you just click on that drop down arrow, choose Ethereum, then again it asks you for your password like this. Again, on the Trezor screen, these numbers will have mixed up in a different order. You put in your PIN number again. And that's you logged in. So you can see your Ethereum balance, there's 0 in there at the moment. To add your Scotcoin, what you do again is you go to etherscan.io, type in Scotcoin, capital C in the middle. You'll find the address that starts with 0x28. You copy and paste that into the tokens search window here. Click on Scotcoin and that's your Scotcoin balance added. There's 0 in this wallet at the moment. Now finally, what you need to do is, if you want to send your funds from MyEther wallet or Metamask, what you'll need is the Trezor wallet address. Now this is just simply another Ethereum address which is set up randomly when you create the new wallet address in your Trezor. So what you do is you click on receive, click on show full address. Now on your Trezor it will ask you to press continue to confirm the address. So you click continue, and then it gives you the full address. It also gives you a QR code. So you could actually scan that from your mobile phone and send funds from your smartphone app to the Trezor. In this case, this is the address here, 0x4b, etc. That's the Trezor wallet address. So all you do is you log into your Metamask or your Mu wallet and send the funds to that address. They will then appear in your Trezor offline and very secure. Right, so your Scotcoin V3, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. is now secure and offline in a cold storage device. In this case, it's the Trezor. It should be kept in a safe location, such as a safe or locked cabinet drawer. Finally, any questions, then email info@scotcoinproject.com or visit us on our social media channels, facebook.com/scotcoin, twitter.com/scotcoinproject, or on our website, scotcoinproject.com. Thank you and have a good evening.